Hi everyone, I thought I'd do a quick video just to update you on some big changes that are happening. Me and Gemma are moving from the UK to Portugal. We're really excited about it, but also a bit nervous because we've quit both our jobs and we're gonna be moving in around 2 months' time. So yeah, a lot of things are changing. We're not sure what we're gonna do yet, and for sure YouTube is going to be a big part of it until we figure it out. And at the same time there's going to be a bit of downtime because there's so many things to prepare and so many things to do. But it does mean that in the near future there will be a lot more content coming to this channel. Which brings me to the second announcement, which is this channel is changing. Since I started it, it's been amazing to do videos on whatever I want and put them out there. However, I've noticed there's, maybe too many themes, too many different things in this channel. So this channel is going to continue to be about paragliding and flight, regardless if it's flying, if it's tips, if it's creating crazy things. But if it's flight related, and more specifically if it's paragliding related, it's going to be on this channel, and that's going to be the main thing we're going to do. But I really like making things as well, making things with my hands, and a lot of times they don't have anything to do with paragliding. So I've created a second channel for that, where all my making videos, non-flying related, will be there. And I've actually made a new video that is exclusive to that channel, so you can go and check it out. I'll put a link in the description. So it's up to you. You can stay subscribed to this channel if you're into paragliding, or subscribe to the new channel if you're into making and DIY and yeah, all that stuff. Or if you like both, which I suppose only a few of you will like both paragliding and making things, then you can stay subscribed to both. The content's still going to come out. We hope to ramp it up even more, do better things, and we have a few things planned for the future. So yeah, that's the update. We're really busy, but it means that a lot of really cool things will come in the future. And I want to thank you really all for your support so far. Subscribers to the channel that leave comments, that leave likes, people on Patreon that support us on a monthly basis. And again, if you want to see the channel grow and you've thought about supporting us on Patreon, have a look. There might be some rewards there that you're interested in, and it will really help us grow the channel. But we are going to do our best anyway, so don't feel like you have to. Oh, and by the way, for those of you who are subscribers to Cross Country magazine, if you're not, you should. It's a great paragliding magazine. I wrote an article on it this month. It's about cross-country flying, how I flew over 100k in the UK flatlands last year. And yeah, it was kind of like a backwards way how I got to fly 100k. So if you're interested in the story, check out Cross Country. Again, thank you so much for your support. Please bear with us in the next few months because we're really excited but also really nervous, and there's a lot to do to get these things ready. So videos will be up and down, but after this period things will get way better. There will be more videos everywhere, and yeah, we'll be going full time on this. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.